I'm Jakub Smrš, riding for a Split Lab Redmond team, and I will take you to the lap of Assen TT circuit with a Nissan GTR. Now we are on the main straight of Assen, which is known as a really historical and beautiful circuit. Unluckily, we are doing the shorter one. Personally, I prefer the long one. So we are coming here in fourth gear, and in about here on 170 meters, shifting back in second in the first corner, which is quite good to overtake. Okay, here that corner, it's I think the most important is to take good exit, keep the bike straight, bike lean, and shifting back in second, and this long turn, which will be probably interesting in a race with used tire. Now I don't see anything because the sun. Okay, so here we keep on second gear, second, then a little bit of throttle before the slowest corner of the track, hairpin, which is ridden in first. Then this exit is really important for the speed on the straight, where you can be past some people, and of course you must be careful here for a high sider. And also that's the slowest hairpin is the corner where many people crashing during the race. This is the longest straight of Assen, with for me coming into fifth gear, and this is a new part where we are entering almost full with fifth gear over the curbs like this, with the third gear, and shift back in second. This corner has got a little banking, so it's quite good to accelerate with a good grip. Now I don't see. Sorry. Here we go back in third gear for a short time, and then second again, this left, where it's usually better to keep on more on the left side in the exit, because then it's following right-handed corner here, which where we stay on second gear. This corner is also quite difficult, especially in a race when the tire is used, because in the middle you shift in third and it's easy to lose a grip. And here you also need to take a good speed for the coming straight. Here we shift in fourth, or I do, and short shift in fifth gear in this fast corner, which is really fast and dangerous. This is a corner where I crashed last time I was riding here. And then here I can do fifth or sixth gear, depends if I'm alone or in the slipstream. And then shift back here, leaning in the one of the fastest corners on the track, which is I think the most important one in the race, because here you can take a good speed in the exit and overtake on the brakes in the last chicane. So here you are coming from fourth to second gear, and then trying to stay as inside as possible and take a good exit for overtaking in the first corner. And I think that's the most important here. Everywhere you have to be careful not to touch the curbs and the carpet, and then that's it. And then you have to be as soon as possible here on the finish line.